Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a chicken dish. It's probably going to be a 2-for-1 video. We're going to do a kale. It's just going to be a simple stir fry kale, and we're going to have chicken and prosciutto with mozzarella, and that's going to be broiled. This is a keto inspired dish. I didn't get it from the book that I've yet to post any recipes from. But I just recently made some Easter pies, and I had a lot of prosciutto left over, and I figured, what can I do with it, you know? So I figured, well, let me roll some prosciutto and mozzarella cheese in a chicken breast and just bake it. So calorie count on this, for about 6 ounces of the chicken and prosciutto, it's going to be somewhere around 300 calories, maybe a little more. So that being said, one serving would be 6 ounces. I have 12 ounces of chicken, so this will be 2 servings that I'm making. 6 ounces of chicken breast. These are kind of flattened. I've got 5 ounces of prosciutto. I've got some mozzarella cheese. This is probably around 3/4 of a cup to a cup. And for the kale, we're going to use some of these small bell peppers. That adds a nice sweetness. I'm going to add some onion and kale. Now with the kale, when you wash it, put it in a pot and massage it. This will help tenderize it when you cook it. Okay, so your chicken breasts. So we're going to season these, you know, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. Salt. Be careful with the salt because you're getting salt from your prosciutto. So I'm going to do one breast at a time. That was garlic, pepper, onion, salt. Turn it over. Pepper, garlic, onion, salt. Now we want to put some prosciutto down. And some of our cheese. And now you just want to roll it up. Yeah. Now this is going to go in the oven. So I'm just going to take, put it in there. This is a small piece. Now, our oven should be preheating, which I forgot. We'll do it at 350. So it looks like I'm not going to be using all the prosciutto on this, but we'll keep the calorie count anyway, because if we're counting calories by the end of the day, you want to think you're having more calories. At least I do. And this way I watch my next meal. Make sure I don't overeat my next meal. Okay. This will be going in the pan. I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay, we're waiting for the oven because as always, I never put it on when I should. So I'm just going to add some olive oil. Most of that I just put down is on the bottom. I want to make sure it doesn't stick. So then I'll just move these around a little bit, get some underneath. And I'm going to drizzle just a little bit on top. Now, I love smoky flavor. So I'm going to add a little bit of smoked paprika to the top. It'll just give it a little smoky flavor. So when the oven's ready, this will go in for, I'd say about 15 minutes and then check it. I've never done this before, so I don't know what the cooking time is going to be, but I would say keep an eye on it. Go for 15 minutes first, see what happens, and then maybe add 10 minutes if it's not done. I suspect this will probably go closer to 25, maybe 30 minutes. Okay, so we're up to 350. I'm going to take it, and in the oven we go. Well, that's in the oven. We'll do our kale. Now, I've really never made kale before. Made kale chips once. I wasn't crazy about them. A little bit of olive oil. Put some heat on that. As soon as you see the pan smoking a little bit, then you can throw in your kale. Okay, in goes the kale. I'm gonna hit that with some salt. Pepper, some hot pepper flakes, So I don't know if you can hear that. I'm a ham, because it has to do with food, and my ham radio's on, and I forgot to shut it off. I'm going to put in those peppers and those onions. Now those peppers, there's a nice sweetness to those peppers, so I find it refreshing because I haven't had sugar in about 2 weeks, and I'm a big sweets person. Can't wait till the day I could start treating myself. So you got some great colors going on here. You don't want to cook the hell out of this. You just want to, keep those colors and keep it fluffy. Just want it to wilt a little bit. And they look tender enough. Now, I don't want to cook the colors out. So I'm going to call this done. We'll take it off the heat, and I'll cover it until chicken is done. All right, so we're out. We're cooked, and this went for about 25 minutes. And I'm going to take 2 pieces because I didn't eat much today. Well, actually I did. I cheated. But that's okay. So what I'm going to be putting on my plate is probably going to be around 400 calories. But if you take 1 piece, it'll probably only be 280 to 300 calories. Okay, I'm going to put some of that kale on my dish. And there you have it. So we got chicken prosciutto with mozzarella, and a nice little green kale salad there. All right, so like I said, the amount that I'm going to eat is probably going to be about 400 calories, 400 plus calories. If you only take one piece of chicken, it'll obviously be less calories. So now, the weigh-in. When I started this journey on March 15th, I was 294 pounds. Each subsequent weigh-in, I lost weight. Here we are, a month since my original weigh-in and 1 week since my last weigh-in, and we have, now I'm wearing different clothes. $282.4. So my last weigh-in I was 286. Now I'm 282.4. So that's another 4 pounds. And that's a total of 10 pounds in a month. Not bad. It's hard. No sugars, no carbs. But the good thing is I'm learning how to, cook a little bit more healthy, so to speak. But I can't wait until I can treat myself, which might be coming up because it's Easter. I've already cheated twice on this diet. Friday, my boss took us out to lunch. I did my best to eat no carbs, no sugar, but I had heaping, it was a buffet, so I had 2 dishes. I made some Italian Easter pie, pizzagina, for some family, and I kept one for myself, and I had a piece today for lunch, and that's some of the bread. I haven't had bread in a couple weeks, so that was the first time I had any type of real heavy carb. So anyway, hope you're enjoying this. I'm going to eat my dinner, and hope to see you back here soon. John Campo, the Not So Neat Chef. Bye.